Jeongrila. Hello everyone, welcome to my class. I'm your Korean instructor, Jeongrila, Jong. Did you review what we learned in the previous class? You took the vocabulary test, right? If you didn't, please take it first before watching this lesson. Then, let's slip into our new class, shall we? If you get satisfied with my video, please subscribe and click like. Thank you. Okay, first, take out the storybook and a pen together. If you don't have the book, you can purchase it by clicking the link in the comments and the description section down here. Good. Now that you get ready, let's get started. Open your book and let's move to page 17. Okay, first sentence. 네 덕분에 살았구나. This is a statement from the king, right? First, let's focus on the word 덕분에. 덕분에. First, 덕분. 덕분 is actually a noun which means help. However, you should remember the whole phrase 덕분에. 덕분에. Okay? 덕분에. 덕분에 is like thanks to blah blah. Thanks to blah blah. Okay? So, 네 덕분에 thanks to you. Thanks to you. Of course, 네 is 너의. 너의. The short version of 너의 is 네. However, you should pronounce like 네. 네. Okay? So, 네 덕분에. 네 덕분에. 네 덕분에 살았구나. 살다 is actually to live, right? But we can translate it like to survive as well. Okay? So, the meaning of this whole sentence is thanks to you, I survived. You can understand me, right? Good. And the next sentence. 네가 내 생명의 은인이다. First, 네가, you, right? So, 너 plus 가 is 네가, right? You should remember that. 네가, 내 is 나의. So, my 생명의 은인이다. 생명, life. 의, just a possessive form, right? 은인 is savior, okay? Or benefactor, savior. So, the meaning of this whole sentence is you are my life savior. Okay? You are my life savior. That is 생명의 은인이다. 생명의 은인이다. In the next sentence, 가지고 싶은 게 있느냐? Oh, 가지고 싶은 게 있느냐? First, let's focus on 있느냐. So, 있느냐? 있어요? 있어? 있습니까? So, is there, right? Is there. And 블라블라한 게 is 블라블라한 것이. So, 게 is 것이. The short version of 것이. 것이. Okay? Then, what is 것? 것 is a thing. Okay? A thing. Or in this case, just anything like that. Anything. Then, what is 가지고 싶은? 가지고 싶은 modifies got. So, you can think of it like relative clause. So, anything that, a thing that 가지고 싶다. What is 가지고 싶다? 블라블라 하고 싶다. To want. 가지다. To have or to get. So, 가지고 싶다. To want to have or to want to get. Okay? So, the meaning of this whole sentence is there anything that you want to get? Or is there anything that you want to have? You can understand me, right? Good. And the next sentence. 내가 다 들어주겠다. Okay, first. 내가 is I, right? And 다, all together, all. 들어주겠다. So, 블라블라 하겠다. So, it is like will, blah, blah, right? Will, blah, blah. And what is 들어주다? 들어주다 is actually translated in a sense like to listen to. However, this is a kind of phrase. So, like 소원을 들어주다. 소원을 들어주다. 소원 is wish. And 들어주다 is grant. Or meet, to meet. Or to accept. That is 들어주다. So, the meaning of this whole sentence is I will accept all of them. Or I will grant your wish all together. You can understand me, right? Good. So, 소원을 들어주다. So, 소원을 is just omitted in this case, okay? You can understand me, right? Good. And the next sentence. 아니에요. 없어요. Okay, first 아니에요. No, there isn't. No, there isn't. 없어요. I have nothing. I have nothing. That is 없어요. Okay, 없어요. And the next sentence, 괜찮다. It's okay. 말해보거라. So 거라, very old style, but it is an imperative form, right? 말해보거라. 말해보다 is try telling, okay? However, in this case, just an imperative form, so you can just think of it like just tell me. That is 말해보거라. 소원이 무엇이냐, right? 소원이 무엇이냐? 소원 is wish. 소원 is wish. 무엇 is what, right? So 소원이 무엇이냐? What is your wish? Okay, you can understand me, right? Good. And the next sentence, 국왕님. So, oh, my king, 국왕님. 달림을 봐도 돼요? Good. So 달림 is the moon, right? 달림 is the moon. 봐도 돼요? blah blah 해도 돼요 is may I blah blah. That is blah blah 해도 돼요? So 달림을 봐도 돼요? 봐 is 보아도. So 보다 is to see, to look at, right? So the meaning of this whole sentence is, oh my king, may I see the moon? Or may I look at the moon? That is 달림을 봐도 돼요? You can understand me, right? Good. Turn a page. Okay, first sentence. 사실은요. Okay, 사실은요 is in fact or honestly, more frankly speaking, anyone. So 사실은요, in fact, 우리 엄마가 아파요. So 우리 엄마가 아파요. First, 우리 엄마. Actually, 우리 is not we in this case, right? Because 우리 is just a possessive form, right? So in this case, you can think of it like our. However, like I said in the previous classes or series, 우리 is mostly used instead of 나의, 내, in Korean. Okay? So it is like my. Okay? So 우리 엄마 is my mother. You can think of it like that. My mother 아파요 is sick. To be sick is 아프다. So my mother is sick. 우리 엄마가 아파요. And the next sentence. 할머니가 달님께 기도하면 엄마가 나을 수 있다고 했어요. Let's focus on the sentence structure. First, 할머니가, the main subject, right? 블라블라고 했어요. So, this part is just kind of a delivered message. Okay? So, 할머니가 블라블라고 했어요. 할머니, grandmother. So, my grandmother 블라블라고 했어요. What is 블라블라고 했어요? It is like tell that blah blah, told that blah blah. Okay? So, 할머니가 블라블라고 했어요. My grandmother told me that. And that blah blah is 달님께 기도하면 엄마가 나을 수 있다. Okay? Now, let's get the meaning. First, if you see blah blah 하면, in that case, just think of it like if blah blah. Okay? So, if 기도하다 is to pray. So, if I pray, in this case, if I pray to whom? To 달림. 달림 is the moon. Okay? And 께 is actually the honorific version of 에게. Okay? So, 달림께 to the moon. If I pray to the moon, 엄마가 나을 수 있다. 엄마 is mother, right? So, my mother blah blah 을 수 있다. Can blah blah, right? Can blah blah. So, my mother can. 낫다 is the base form. 낫다 is the base form of the verb. So, 낫다. What is 낫다? 낫다 is to get well or to be cured. Okay? So, the meaning of this whole sentence is, my grandmother told me that if I pray to the moon, my mother can get well or can be cured. You can understand me, right? Good. And the next sentence. 근데 아빠가 달림을 보면 죽는다고 말했어요. Okay. First, 근데 is but. 그런데, okay? 그런데 is 근데, but. Now, let's focus on the sentence structure again. First, 아빠가 the main subject, 블라블라고 말했어요. So, the same thing, right? 할머니가 블라블라고 했어요. 아빠가 블라블라고 말했어요. Same structure, okay? Then what? 달림을 보면 죽는다. Now, let's get the meaning. First, my father 블라블라고 말했어요. told me, right? told me that 달림을 보면 죽는다. 블라블라면, right? 블라블라면 if. So, if I 보다 to see. If I see the moon, 달림 is the moon. If I see the moon, I 죽는다. I die. Or I would die. I would die. That is 달림을 보면 죽는다. Okay? So the meaning of this whole sentence is but my father told me that if I see the moon, I would die. You can understand me, right? Good. And 흐흑 is just the sound of crying. 흐흑. 국왕님, 달림을 보면 정말 죽어요? Okay, the first, 국왕님, my king, 달림을 보면, 블라블라면, so if, right? So if I see the moon, 정말, really, 죽어요? Will I die? That is, 죽어요? Will I die? So, the meaning of this whole sentence is, my king, if I see the moon, am I really gonna die? Or, will I really die? That is the meaning of the whole sentence. You can understand me, right? Good. And the 흐흐흐 is also the sound of crying. Good. From now on, repeat after me from the beginning to the end. Let's go. 네 덕분에 살았구나. 네가 내 생명의 은인이다. 가지고 싶은 게 있느냐? 내가 다 들어주겠다. 아니에요. 없어요. 괜찮다. 말해보거라. 소원이 무엇이냐? 국왕님, 달림을 봐도 돼요? 사실은요, 우리 엄마가 아파요. 할머니가 달림께 기도하면 엄마가 나을 수 있다고 했어요. 근데 아빠가 달림을 보면 죽는다고 말했어요. 흐흑. 국왕님, 달림을 보면 정말 죽어요? 흐흐흑. Well done. How was your class today? Did you cry with the little boy in class? Please don't cry. Okay. Well, after this, you should review what we learned today right away so that you can catch the meaning and vocabulary. The test is going to be on Thursday as usual. Good. Then, enjoy your day and see you next time. Bye-bye.